Okay, this is Orca with the top off. And if you look down into the hull, you can see it's scratch built, plank on frame. Right at the very front, just up here, we've got a speaker which is for the diesel sound generator. Got a 6-volt lead acid, which is wired in direct and charges up off this socket. This socket also then, going into the superstructure piece, plugs in directly to this plug and powers all of the lights, which is the 2 spotlights on the front, the 3 side lights on either side, 3 internal cabin lights, the 2 mast lights, the front spotlight, rear spotlight, rear deck light, and the 2 navigation lights on either side. Coming back to the boat, it's got 2 Johnson 600 motors fitted with heavy duty couplings, and an Electronise FR30HX microsystem processor, as you can see just there. It's all wired in with 27 MHz receiver just here, which is on band red. This little plug here is an additional plug if you wanted to put something else in electric that will just take little LED light bulbs. So this did initially power the lights on the superstructure, but wasn't sufficient enough for the amount of lights that I eventually put in it, so that's mainly redundant. It's got an ACOM steering servo, as you can see just here. Just there is the diesel sound generator, which can be changed according to what type of diesel sound you want. Powering in the rear at the moment, coming with the boat, is 2 Howes 8.4 volt NiCads, 1700 mAh. It'll run on 7.2, it'll run on 6 volt, and it'll run on 9.6. The pictures that are listed on eBay show it running flat out at 9.6, vastly overpowered with 2 Johnson 600s in it, but it will cruise very nicely on 7.2 to 7.2 volt batteries at proper scale cruising speed, as per one of the pictures, for 45 minutes to an hour. So you can see the layout's quite neat and tidy. A lot of it's been rewired by myself in terms of some of the additional wiring. And just going down to the rear, you may be able to see, not very well I don't think, twin brass props, 3 blade brass props at the back, which I think are 30mm, with twin rudders as well. So I'll just switch on and give you a bit of a demo. Transmitter on first, obviously. Powered on. Not sure if you can see into the back with the rudder. And obviously the power, which sounds very loud, but isn't in reality. Props are well greased, as you can see there, by grease spray either side. And on the back there is 2 switches, one just here which is for the main power, and then one just here which is for the diesel generator, which again sounds very loud when the superstructure is on and the rear deck part is on. Deadens out and sounds quite bassy, as a diesel generator should. So that's everything, and if you like it, I hope you bid. Took a lot of time and effort to put it together, but that's Orca.